On today's video, I will be breaking down and reviewing one of Africa's fastest growing brokers, which is Octa. Let's not waste time and get into today's video. Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to Traders Room South Africa, the best trading channel in the country. If it is your first time on the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel. If it is not your first time on the channel, thank you for tuning back into the channel. So traders, the past two videos that I have created, the very first one being the robot, where we were trying out the robot for a week, and the previous one where I was able to turn $100 into $1,000. You guys were asking me about the broker that I am using, and you guys were asking me to tell you more information about Octa, right? So in both videos I was using Octa to trade, and in the previous video you guys saw how I was able to trade. I gave you guys the breakdown and I was able to show you how I was able to withdraw from Octa, right? So on today's video, I'm just going to be doing a review on Octa, my experience, how you guys can get started with Octa, because they offer a wide range of really good services, including their app, so on and so forth. But first things first, we need to talk about regulation and licensing, right? Whenever it comes to picking a really good broker, you need to make sure that you are trading with a licensed and regulated broker, and that is the very first thing that really caught my attention when I was trading with Octa, right? So I will be putting their license right over here on the screen. You guys can also go onto their website and check that information out, right? So they are licensed in South Africa, and you know, it makes sure that you are protected as a trader, and it makes sure that your money and investments are protected. So the second thing on my side that I do really like about Octa, and what I've really seen when I have been trading on my personal account, is that they do offer low spreads. They offer zero swap fees and zero commission fees. So throughout me trading, for example, there are some trades that I do swing, and one thing I did notice is that whenever I do check some of the costs of holding trades overnight, which is a swap, you know, they come up to zero, you know. So for me, that was a really powerful point and a benefit that I did find. For those who do swing, you know, it can be a really good advantage, and the spreads are pretty good, you know, especially for me trading gold. You know, that's where I found really good spreads. Also on US30 and other pairs. And yeah guys, I'd like to say that I am happy to say that we are partnered with Octa, right? So Octa has messaged us and asked us to try out their platform and give us an honest review, right? So if you guys do want to get started with Octa, make sure that you click the link down below, and you guys will get 100% deposit bonus on your very first deposit. And make sure that you also use my promo code. So I will type it out right over here. Make sure that you do go to the link below and get registered with the broker. So a big shout out to Octa for actually trusting the channel. And yeah guys, let's go on to the next point. All right traders, so the third thing that I do like about Octa is the wide variety of assets that I can choose from, you know. So a lot of people are trading different assets, whether it be currencies, whether it be indices, crypto, and other assets, you know. So they do have over 200 assets you guys can pick from. You know, sometimes it is also good to just stick to a few pairs, perfect a few assets when trading, so that you guys can perfect your skill. But just to mention, you know, they do have over 200 to pick from. So yeah, that is really a good thing for traders who are trying to diversify their portfolio. And then the next point that I do want to touch on is deposits and withdrawals. Guys, it is super important to have a broker that you do trust whenever you are funding, you know. And also once you have made profit, it's important to have a broker that can actually give you good withdrawals in time, so that you guys can enjoy your profits, and so that you know that you are trading with a trusted broker. All right, so throughout the past few months that I have been trading with Octa, you know, their withdrawals have been really speedy, you know. Just like I've shown you in the previous video, I think the withdrawal took literally less than 1 hour, so the very first email I got, I will pop it up on the screen. I just got confirmation from Octa asking my reason for a withdrawal, and then once you have confirmed, the withdrawal will be received within an hour. That's just my experience, and I have withdrawn on multiple occasions. So for me, it's a big plus and bonus. And yeah, guys, make sure that you do try withdraw with them and tell me what you think in the comment section. All right, traders, so the next thing that I do want to cover is the Octa app. So Octa has a really simple and easy to use app that they have built for traders. So whether you do want to manage some of the trades and positions that you have taken, you can go to the Octa app. If you guys do want to withdraw and fund from this particular app, it's an all-in-one app. You can even execute your trades and actually look at the charts from this app. So I am going to pop up a screen recording and show you the app. So you can also download it on either your iOS or your Android device, so it is available on both. But let us go on to the Octa app, and if you guys do look over here, you guys can see I am on the app right now, and you guys can select any particular asset that you do want to trade. For example, we do have a gold chart over here, and you guys can see you can buy or sell on this particular app. And then this section, it will show you the orders that you do have open, but I don't have any trades open right now. And at this particular portal, you guys can select whether you want to deposit or withdraw from your account or do internal transfers. All right, guys, so while we are on the Octa app, I'd like to talk about the new promotion that Octa does have. So Octa is introducing a new year promotion called comfort trading. So the message that Octa is trying to bring across is comfort trading all the way from your home, and they basically trying to promote good trading decisions. They want to make sure that traders make more informed decisions in their trading all the way from the Octa app, So they are offering a few prizes, but before we go there, this campaign is starting from the 2nd of December all the way to the 22nd of December, So Octa is basically trying to promote good trading and good habits when you guys do execute your trades all the way from the Octa app, So Octa is also offering a few prizes such as an iPhone 16. They're also offering a PS5 and other gadgets, So make sure that you guys do enter the raffle by clicking the link down below. And I will show you quickly on the app where to go to actually start participating and register for this particular campaign, So right over here, I am screen recording on the app right now. And if you do go to the more section, and if you actually do go to the promotions that they do have right now and clicked on the Octa New Year promotion, you guys can see that they do have a few rules. So make sure that you read over the rules. You guys need to be trading during the 2nd and the 22nd of December. They are also offering 100% deposit bonus for this particular season, those who are registered for the first time and new clients, right? And then another thing that they are offering during this period is the lowest spread. So during this time of the year, you are going to be getting the lowest spread, so make sure that you do take advantage. But you guys need to read the terms and the conditions so that you guys can be entered into this raffle and stand a chance to win. So they do have a few fun prizes and competitions and campaigns that you guys can participate in, such as this one. So click participate, and then you guys will just basically be registered into this particular campaign. All right, traders, so that is the end of the video. If you guys do want to trade with Octa, make sure that you do use my link below, and make sure that you do use my promo code. So it is a broker that I am planning on continuing with, especially since I am starting my journey trading in dollars, and this is the broker that I trust. But traders, tell me in the comment section if you have used Octa before, or if you do end up registering with them. Make sure that you give us your feedback. But traders, have a good trading week, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.